like a sturdy bridge over a shimmering river. The POOLKEY upgraded DA97-14801A refrigerator glass shelf provides a perfect replacement for your weary Samsung fridge. When the original shelf in your refrigerator cracks or shatters, it can feel like a sudden loss of support, a foundation crumbling beneath your groceries. This replacement shelf, however, is a metaphorical scaffold of strength and durability, designed with precision to fit Samsung models like the RH22H9010SR, RH22H9010SG, and RH22H9010SR. Furthermore, its robust construction ensures a long lifespan, allowing it to bear the weight of your milk jugs and condiment jars with ease. Consequently, you can rest assured knowing your refrigerated items are held securely, as this Samsung RH22H9010SR compatible shelf by POOLKEY brings order back to your kitchen chaos, transforming your fridge from a jumbled mess into a beautifully organized sanctuary. Therefore, with this simple upgrade, you can maintain the functionality and aesthetic appeal of your appliance, making your daily life a little bit smoother and significantly more organized. Moreover, installing this new shelf is as straightforward as turning a new page in a book, promising a quick and hassle-free experience. The shattered glass of a broken shelf is a memory of a disaster, a ghost of a past problem. Conversely, this upgraded glass shelf is a new beginning, a clean slate for your fresh produce and leftovers. It fits snugly and securely, a perfect puzzle piece sliding into place, creating a seamless and unified interior. For instance, whether you have the RH22H9010SG or the RH22H8010SR, the compatibility of this Samsung RH22H9010SR compatible shelf by POOLKEY is a testament to its thoughtful design and engineering. Ultimately, this shelf doesn't just hold items. It holds the promise of a well-maintained and efficient refrigerator, ensuring that your food stays fresh and accessible. Similarly, it revitalizes the entire space, breathing new life into an appliance that is central to your household's daily rhythm, thereby becoming an essential component in your kitchen's symphony. In conclusion, the POOLKEY upgraded DA97-14801A is not merely a piece of glass but a beacon of quality and a symbol of convenience. It is a silent guardian of your groceries, a dependable stage upon which your culinary creations reside. Although it may seem like a minor detail, a strong and reliable shelf can drastically improve your refrigerator's functionality and your overall kitchen experience. In addition to its primary function, this Samsung RH22H9010SR compatible shelf by POOLKEY is also easy to clean, resisting spills and smudges like a fortress against an invading army of sticky messes. By and large, it is the perfect solution for anyone seeking to restore their Samsung refrigerator to its former glory. As a result, this durable and well-designed shelf stands as a testament to the fact that even the smallest parts can make the most significant difference in the heart of your home. Pros: upgraded design, improved durability, perfect fit for Samsung fridges, easy to install. Good value, stable and strong, compatible with many models, cleans easily, good replacement part, helps organize fridge. Cons: may not fit all models, durability could be a concern, installation may be difficult, glass shelves can be heavy. Features: compatible with Samsung fridge, fits RH22H8010SR model, fits RH22H9010SG model, fits RH22H9010SR model, includes POOLKEY brand, refrigerator part, easy to replace, durable and reliable. This product is the POOLKEY upgraded DA97-14801A refrigerator glass shelf replacement. It is compatible with several Samsung refrigerator models, including the RH22H9010SR, RH22H9010SG, and RH22H9010SR. The shelf is a durable and reliable replacement part that is easy to install. The POOLKEY upgraded DA97-14801A refrigerator glass shelf is a replacement part for various Samsung fridge models, offering an upgraded design for improved durability, a perfect fit, and easy installation. It is a stable and strong, good value replacement part that helps organize your fridge and is easy to clean. While compatible with many models, potential drawbacks include that it may not fit all fridges. Durability could be a concern. Installation might be difficult, and the glass shelves can be heavy.